In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the HSBC Personal Loan UK Review 2025 Full Guide. We'll discuss everything you need to know, from loan features to customer feedback, and weigh the pros and cons, helping you make an informed decision. Let's start by exploring the key features of the HSBC Personal Loan in the UK. If you're considering applying, you'll be pleased to know that the loan amount ranges from £1,000 to £25,000. However, if you are a premier customer, you can borrow up to £50,000. The representative APR is particularly appealing, starting at 5.8% for amounts between £10,000 and £30,000. This can make borrowing more affordable compared to other lenders. Now let's talk about the loan term options. You have the flexibility to choose between 1 to 8 years. For loans under £15,000, you can opt for up to 5 years, while loans over £15,000 can extend up to 8 years. What makes planning easier is the fixed monthly repayments, which greatly aids financial management. If you're already an HSBC account holder, you'll benefit from an instant decision during the application process. For non-HSBC customers, the decision time varies, ranging from 2 to 5 working days. It's also worth noting that if you wish to repay the loan early, there's no penalty involved, offering peace of mind and flexibility. Another significant feature is the option to consolidate existing debts into a single, manageable loan, which can simplify your financial commitments. Moving on to the pros of this personal loan, you'll find the APR competitive compared to other lenders, coupled with flexible loan amounts and terms. Fixed repayments further aid in financial planning, and rapid access to funds is a boon for existing HSBC customers. Not to forget, there are no extra charges for repaying the loan early. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. Eligibility entails having a minimum annual income of £10,000 and already holding a UK bank account. For those who are not HSBC customers, approval might take between 2 and 5 working days. Additionally, be aware of potential fees should you miss a payment or exceed your credit limits. Customer feedback for HSBC has been overwhelmingly positive. In a 2025 satisfaction survey, 87% of loan customers expressed they'd recommend HSBC to a friend, praising their low interest rates, clarity in documentation, and responsive support. To conclude, the HSBC personal loan in the UK stands out with competitive interest rates, flexible borrowing options, and fixed repayments, making it an attractive choice for various borrowing needs. The efficient application process and positive user reviews boost its credibility. Nevertheless, ensure you meet the eligibility requirements and weigh any associated fees before deciding to apply. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in navigating your way through the HSBC personal loan options.